Namaste, you guys. Welcome back. Today, let's see, it's the next day, and let's see if the agent that we have built, which we have given the work of content strategist, will work or not. I have recorded. Let's see. I would like to first check the Notion. I'm sorry, I have very bad cold. Okay. So I have opened, but here in the editor, it's the same. But when I clicked on the run tab, it has given that it has run for the March 2022 or 22nd at 8 a.m. I just want to see where it's directing to. I guess the link that I have provided is since it's private. Where is this? It's in Document Hub, and that is this. Okay. Refine workflow as far as okay, I'll edit. Since I couldn't find the document where the content was being stored, I decided to tweak the workflow a little bit. I told the agent to send everything directly to my Gmail account every day, along with a notification. That way, I can just open the mail and instantly access that day's reel package and description. So I went digging into the apps folder, found Gmail, and connected my account to the agent. I even used a prompt suggested by Claude to send me the link automatically. But the moment I tried it, error. It couldn't access my Gmail. Then it started asking a few questions, and these were the ones. After that, it prompted me to select the permissions for relay. I was a bit cautious here, even though I wanted it connected to Gmail. I only granted access to mail and nothing else. Once that was done, it confirmed that Gmail was connected. Then it suggested the next step. After logging into Notion, it would send me an email with the Notion page link. It even generated a ready to use template with fields like sender, receiver, subject, and body. Just when I thought it was working, another error popped up. It said some required permissions weren't granted, so a few steps might break, and that made sense. I had limited the access on purpose for security. At that point, I had to stop and think, is connecting my email even worth it just for notification? So in the end, I dropped the Gmail idea completely. I still couldn't find the Notion page, honestly, where all this content was supposed to go, which was honestly frustrating. But then I checked the run activity, and that's where things changed. I found a link, opened the input parameters, saw a reference page, and when I viewed the output, I noticed something interesting. There were runs created by me and runs created by the Relay app. So I filtered only the relay ones, and boom, the content was already generated for March 22nd. That's when I realized I had actually built my own AI content team, an agent that generates scripts, captions, everything daily. But here's the downside, it only lasted only for 4 to 5 days. The credits ran out. So yeah, there's a limit. After that, you have to pay. And just like that, your AI content team is ready. This is just the beginning of what AI agents can do. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and go watch part 1 to see how this all started.